What is up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Angie Monique. Y'all, I missed y'all. It's been a hot minute. Don't come for me, please don't come for me. But your girl did do some damage in the Sephora spring savings event, so I got a haul for you guys. So if you want to know what I picked up during the spring savings event, this is the video for you. You already know. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, you know, you know. You know, you know. You are not the one, you're not even my crush.
Alright, you guys, so this video is not 1,000 years long. We are just gonna jump right into it. I am just gonna be pulling things out of this box and telling you what I got. Some of these things are repurchases, some of them are not. So yeah, let's hop into it. So the very first thing that I got, this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. It's for smoothing and moisturizing. I heard so many great things about this, especially from like the Glow Recipe brand in general. So I definitely wanted to give this a try. I am a sucker for a body lotion. So yeah, and if you know my favorite color is pink, this was right up my alley. So like I said, I have never tried this before. You do get 6.76 fluid ounces in this. I love the packaging. Like I said, I'm a sucker for pink. My favorite color is pink, so they had nothing to do with it, maybe, but this is what I did pick up. Like I said, it is a body cream. It basically says, this nourishing daily body cream wraps skin in a delicious watermelon scent and quickly melts into skin without leaving a greasy or sticky feeling, because we don't like it. Vitamin rich watermelon seed butter, multi-weight hyaluronic acid and antioxidants packed watermelon extract moisturize skin with long-lasting hydration and supports the skin's natural moisture barrier. So love that. At the same time, naturally derived hibiscus AHA gently exfoliates and smooths roughness, including flakiness and bumps. Skin is left hydrated, soft, soothed, and glowing. We love all of those things. So, did not know that it had like an exfoliator in this, but so interested to try this product. I will keep you guys updated on this. If you are not following me on TikTok, please follow me on TikTok, because I post a lot of more videos over there. So, yeah, I'll keep y'all updated on this. It says, let me see how y'all know. Let's see how it smells. Oh, this do smell like Jolly Ranchers. One of the reviews said that this smells like Jolly Ranchers, and it really does. So excited to try this product out. I will keep y'all posted. So the very next thing, this is actually a repurchase. The very first time that I got this, the fragrance or the body mist actually spilled out. So yeah, this is the Sol de Janeiro Balm Dia Bright little gift set here. It comes with the body wash. Never used this before, but I'm eager to try it. This here is hands down one of my favorite of the scents that Sol de Janeiro has. Like I said, this is the Balm Dia Bright 40 fragrance, and it comes with the mini traveling 40 body mist. So absolutely love this. I've tried these two before, as you all know. I've never tried the body wash, so we'll see how this goes. I'm very particular about my body washes, so I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not. I make no promises, but yeah, I did. It was cheaper just to get the gift set, so yeah, got that. This very next thing, speaking of Glow Recipe, I picked up the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies. This is an Achieve Bouncy Glowing Skin, and it has, it's just some of their best sellers. So it has the Avocado Moisture Barrier Cleanser. It has the Watermelon Glow PHA plus the BHA Pore Tight Toner. The Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. The Strawberry Smooth Salicylic Acid Serum. The Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. And then the Plum Plump, that is a tongue twister. The Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. So like I said, I am very particular about things that I put on my face, but I heard great things about Glow Recipe, so I definitely wanted to give this a try. Like I said, these are all travel size products, so they're not the full size products. You get the cleanser, This is the Strawberry Smooth Salicylic Serum. This is the Hyaluronic Cream. This small little tube here, I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is the Eye Gel Cream. This is the Niacinamide Dewdrops. And then last but not least, you have the Watermelon Glow Toner. So, I want to try this out. I am, like I said, I'm very specific and particular about what I put on my face as far as skincare. I'm very minimal when it comes to my skincare products because I do have sensitive skin. So, with all these having watermelon stuff in it, we gonna see how it works. But like I said, I wanted to give it a try. So yeah, easier to do the gift set than to get the full size bottles and you don't like it, right? Y'all know how we do over here. So let's continue on. The very next product I picked up, this is the Paula's Choice Weightless Body Treatment 2% BHA with salicylic acid plus antioxidants. It's for all skin types. It's supposed to exfoliate to reveal younger looking skin, softens rough bumpy skin, and improves texture and tone. So I was particularly looking for something that would like lighten my dark elbows and, you know, different things like that, like dark spots on my body. So I read great reviews on this, and so yeah, I wanted to try it out. I will keep you guys posted on this. So yeah, like I said, if you're not following me on TikTok, go do that. So a few makeup products that I did pick up. Let's just, yeah, I got a few. You know what, let me just go right into this other body product that I got. Everything else I think is makeup related. So yeah, this is the Fenty Skin Little Buddy Drop. Girl, I don't know why I can't talk today. The Fenty Skin Little Butter Drops Mini Whipped Oil Body Cream Trio. So it comes with the original, the Warm Cinnamon Shimmering, and then the Vanilla Dream Shimmering. I've tried the original, y'all know I recommended it. I absolutely love this one, hands down my favorite. It does not clash with my fragrances or anything like that. I absolutely love this. But I also wanted to try these other two sets and did not want to get the full size just in case I did not like them. So this one here, this is the Warm Cinnamon Shimmering Whipped Oil Body Cream. If you do not know, her body butters are oil infused, which I love. If I can skip a step in my nighttime routine, I will do that. So it leaves the skin very shiny, very glowy, and I love that for me. This scent here in particular, oh my god, this smells like a cinnamon roll. Y'all, I can't wear this in the summer or the spring. This gonna have to be worn in the winter, but in the house, because yeah, this smells like a cinnamon roll. Very nice. It says it's shimmering, so I'm guessing it has, yeah, it has some glitter particles in it. So definitely don't know how I feel about wearing this right now going into the, you know, spring and summer months, but fall, she might be on something. And then this one here, this is the Vanilla Dream Shimmering, so this also has glitter products in it. This one is nice. Now the vanilla in this is not too overpowering, so I can definitely get away with wearing this one right now. But this Warm Cinnamon, baby, this is for fall. That is a fall body butter. But these two right now definitely can, y'all know how I feel about this. But this one definitely can go ahead and start using this. The smell is, like I said, very, very faint. I would probably, you know, pair this with a good vanilla fragrance that I have. I'm a gourmand girl at heart. So, yeah, this will pair very well with those. So, I did get that. Those are all of the body and skincare products that I picked up during the sale. Now, let's get into this makeup. So, I don't know why I stopped using this product, but I've been reaching for it more and more and more. And that is the Stalk'r Instant Warmth Bronzer by Fenty Beauty in the shade Coco Naughty. Y'all, I've been picking it up. So I had to go ahead and get another one. So y'all know the infamous rose gold packaging and the actual products. I know it look a little light. You gotta build her up, but she's just that good. She's just that good. Like, if you are my shade twin, Coco Naughty is the way to go. Mocha Mama is also good, but you got to use a light hand with that. With this, you can go to town, but she gets the job done, and I love that for us. So yeah, I had to go ahead and pick up another one of these because, like I said, I've been reaching for mine more and more and more, so I just wanted to back up. So I got that. A new product alert. So this is, I saw this and I was like, I was intrigued. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Balm Serum Boosted Skin Tint. Y'all know I have been a skin tint girly for a while now, like a while. I've been just picking up more and more of my skin tints versus like my full coverage or medium coverage foundations. I've just become a skin tint girly. Y'all know my main two is the Eavesdrop by Fenty, and then the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint. Top two, absolute fave, hands down. But I saw that ABH came out with this one, and I definitely wanted to pick it up and give it a try. So I will be doing a dedicated video on this product. This is what it looks like. It kind of looked like a deodorant bottle. And I picked mine up in the shade 14. So, and you just twist it up like this. So this is the shade that I got. Looks like that'll work. But yeah, I will be doing a dedicated video on this product, but I was intrigued and I was like, okay, if I can build up this skin tint collection, baby, we finna go and add to it, and let's see what ABH is talking about. Okay, so I did pick that up. I also picked up another now I don't know if they are discontinued, like I don't know what Sephora is doing with this baked Microsmooth powder. Now this, it says it's a Microsmooth, I want to say it's this powder foundation on the website, so I didn't know if it was like something different, if they reformulized it, because at one point they didn't have none of the shades or just like a few selection of the shades, and then the other day when I went on there they had all of them. So I don't know if they're like reformulizing it or what, but I did pick up another one. This is in the shade 56 Mahogany Tan Neutral. Y'all know I like this. If you are looking for a dupe of the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, this is it. I've said it before and I will continue to say it again. She's that girl. If you need a face powder, she's that girl. Okay, so love that for me. A few more repurchases that I got another Fenty Beauty Flypencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner. This is in the shade Cause I'm Black. Absolutely love this. Hands down one of my favorite black eyeliners. I have not been using anything other than this. So yeah, I picked up another one of those because I'm almost out. Speaking of running out, I also picked up the Sephora Retractable Brow Pencil. This is waterproof and this is in the shade Chocolate Brown. Absolutely love this. It was only $12. But y'all know the 30% off dropped the price down even more. So absolutely love this. If you are looking for a pencil, eyebrow pencil, and you are a pencil girl like me, try the Sephora collection. Really, really good. Really, really nice. Also, speaking of the Sephora collection, their Gel Rouge Lipliner, specifically in the shade Molasses. If you are a woman of color and you need a go-to brown lip liner, Molasses is the way to go. I use it all the time. I have multiple brown lip liners, but this one here is just so good. It's retractable. You don't have to sharpen it or anything like that. You can twist it up. You can twist it back down. You won't lose products. Like, I need this. It's a staple. So, had to get another one of those. New products. This is the Huda Beauty Faux Filler Extra Shine Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Posh. Now, on the website, I was kind of deceived by this color because it looks more mauve-y in person, and on the website it kind of gave me like chocolate, or maybe my eyes were deceiving me, but it's still a cute color. I am going to use it. I actually could have put it on with what I have on today, but I'm not. But yeah, I picked this one up. Depending on how I like this, I know for sure they have an actual like deep chocolate one that I may go back and get. I think it's cocoa or something like that. So if I do like this formula, I may go back on the website and get the other shade that I really wanted. So yeah, pick that up. Who am I? Because y'all know I blend out my concealer with my beauty blenders. Like, I'm just a beauty blender girl, but I've been slowly trying to get into brushes more. So I saw this Sephora collection had a 71 Pro Brush Pro Brush Concealer brush. This is in the number 71. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out to blend out my concealer. And I will keep y'all updated on how they go. Y'all might see this in another video real soon. So yeah, be looking for that. Alright you guys, so the very last product that I got is a fragrance. Y'all know I had to get a fragrance. And out of all the fragrances that I have, this is the one that I've been picking up the most, and for some reason they are discontinuing this. I don't know when, but I've seen it, I've heard it, that they are discontinuing this fragrance. So I went on ahead and got another one, because when I say I'm down to the last drop. This is the Victor and Rolf Bonbon perfume. Y'all, if y'all have been following me, y'all know I am a gourmand girly to heart, like to the T. I'm a gourmand girly. This here is categorized as a warm floral, but it is so good. Look at the packaging of that, y'all. Like, so girly, so feminine, but the juice that's on the inside of this bottle is so good. I absolutely love this. I call this my single girl perfume, baby, because she attracts. She attracts. And I love that for me. But yeah, I had to go ahead and pick up another bottle. Alright my love, so that concludes today's Sephora Spring Savings event haul. Y'all, I have not done a video like this in quite a while. I haven't purchased products like this in quite a while. Sprinkles here and there, but collectively I haven't done this much shopping in a while, and it feels so good. It feels so good to get back on camera and talk to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you saw some products in today's video, let me know down in the comment section below what you've been thinking about purchasing. And as y'all already know, we got a few more days. The sale ends on Monday the 15th. So if you got some things that you think I need to, go put in my cart real quick, let me know down in the comment section below. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in the next video.